Is quinoa good for diabetics? Quinoa has recently gained famous in the United States as a nutritional powerhouse. Quinoa provides more nutrients than most other cereals, including protein, antioxidants, minerals, fiber. It's also gluten-free. As a result, it's a suitable substitute for those who are intolerant of wheat's gluten. Quinoa consumption has been linked to improved blood sugar control in patients with diabetes, as well as a reduced risk of developing other diseases. You can eat quinoa by itself or replace quinoa in recipes that call for other grains. Part of living with diabetes is regulating your food to help control your blood sugar. The glycemic index is a measure of how quickly a food's sugar levels rise in the body. Healthy meal plans for people with diabetes frequently focus on choosing meals categorized at medium to low on the glycemic index. Low glycemic index foods have a GI of 55 or lower. Quinoa has a glycemic index of roughly 53, so it won't create as significant an increase in blood sugar. This is because it includes fiber and protein, both of which slow the digestive process. Most grains are deficient in the essential amino acids for protein production. However, quinoa includes all the essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. The dietary fiber content in quinoa is also higher than the content for many other cereals. Because of its high fiber and protein content, quinoa may be especially useful to those who suffer from diabetes. Blood sugar levels are closely regulated when the total amount of carbohydrates consumed during a meal is kept under control. 1 cup, 189 grams, of cooked quinoa has roughly 40 grams of carbs. Researchers in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that eating a diet rich in Andean grains from Peru, such as quinoa, can lower blood pressure and prevent the onset of type 2 diabetes. Thank you for watching.